Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on holiday shopping with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an Amazon account if you don't already have one. Check if you qualify for Amazon Prime. With Prime, you can access exclusive deals and free shipping. Make a list of the gifts you want to purchase. Visit Amazon's holiday gift guides for inspiration. Use the search bar to find specific items on your list. Compare prices by checking similar products. Look for items marked as deals of the day or lightning deals. Add items to your cart as you go along. Use the Amazon wish list feature for future purchases. Set price alerts for items using tools like Camel. Consider using Amazon Warehouse for deals on open box or used items. Take advantage of Amazon coupons for additional savings. Check for bundle deals where buying multiple items can save you money. Review Amazon's return policy to understand your options. Consider using gift cards to manage your holiday budget. Explore Amazon Family for discounts on select family items. Look into cashback programs that partner with Amazon for extra savings. Use the Amazon app for on-the-go shopping convenience. Finalize your cart and take a moment to double-check your selections. Proceed to checkout and select your preferred shipping options. After placing your order, track your shipments for timely arrivals. Enjoy a budget-friendly and stress-free holiday shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.